International Airport. Local time is approximately 5 minutes after 10 a.m. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has been parked at the gate and the fastened seatbelt sign is turned off. At that time, we'd like to have you check around your seating area, in the overhead bin, and also in the seat pocket in front of you for any belongings you placed on board today. Please do me a favor, ladies and gentlemen, double check that seat pocket in front of you for any of your electronics, cell phones, sunglasses, and reading glasses. They are extremely difficult to get back. If you are connecting to another Delta flight here in the Los Angeles terminal, you can check with the TV monitor or the ticket agent once you get inside the terminal for your next gate assignment. On behalf of the flight deck crew and the flight attendants, it's been our pleasure bringing you here to Los Angeles today. We hope to see you again on another Delta flight. Thank you and have a good day.